Hello, I'm Yvette Shipman with Sierra Sotheby's International Realty in Incline Village, Nevada. We are at 572 Rockrose Court. In addition to a spectacular 3,900 square foot home, you are on a mountainside. There's over a half-acre of land here. You'll notice as we go through the home, from all over the property, there are beautiful peaks of the lake here and there. It's a treat. And in addition, when you come down the stairs and out here, there's a beautiful grassy lawn for the dog to roll on, spacious decks from which to stargaze. And the hillside, there's even a fire ring and a place for chairs, and it has a Kalika patio, and you're surrounded by beautiful open space. It's a low-density neighborhood, and it feels really good. You'll find on the main living level the primary suite, fireplace, high ceilings. It's just gorgeous, with a beautiful master bath. The living room is warmed by a real wood-burning fireplace. So you've got the snap, crackle, pop, which just feels so good. Also on the main living level, off to the side, is a state-of-the-art surround sound recording studio. And then downstairs, there's a junior suite. There's a beautiful office with cherry shelving and whatnot. There's a gym. And the family room is actually a theater. There's a screen, built-in projector. Not only is it a big, beautiful, spacious area with a 300-gallon saltwater coral tank, there's just every single room has a different purpose, which is kind of fun. So if you've made it to the end of the tour, perhaps this place is holding interest for you. Please give me a ring and we'll get you in right away.